Get that exercise going. Stretch. Come on.
There you go.
Say hi, Grandma. Say hi.
I love you, Grandma.
Say hi.
Hey. High five.
Say hi.
I'm awake now.
Hi, Grandma.
She crossed his eyes.
You gonna be a lizard for us?
Are you crossing your eyes?
Don't
Do your
stick
little
your tongue
lizard
out,
tongue.
Grandma.
Lizard tongue. Lizard tongue.
There it is. And what about your mouth squeak? You gonna squeak like a mouse?
What's Daddy saying about you? Hi, precious.
You just needed to stretch out, I think.
Hi. Hello there.